Boys and girls, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with another fun cocktail. Thank you so much for staying here with us. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about history. Cinco de Mayo, which happens to be around the corner, and it's a beautiful celebration here in America. But obviously, more where I'm coming from, Puebla City in Mexico. And if you think this is the Independence Day, yes, but no. You want to know the truth? Please stay here with me and let me show you how we're going to be making the Cinco de Mayo mule. We're going to be using this amazing mezcal, the Tobala or Papalo Metal from San Diego, La Mesa, Tochimilcingo, Puebla. That's the liquor that we're going to be using today. But let me tell you a little bit about Cinco de Mayo and what is going on with this is or is not the independence of Mexico. Well, yes, it is. Okay, so during the times of after the war of La Reforma here in Mexico, obviously Mexico got into a really serious situation where they cannot pay the debts to the foreign countries. These foreign countries happen to be Spain, England, and France. So these three countries, they start landing their ships in the Gulf of Mexico, to be precisely Veracruz, which actually Mexico compromises to pay this money owed to the countries, and that stopped the war. However, France decided not to follow the treaty, and they start an armed invasion. So as soon as the French people, they start moving towards the center of Mexico, the General Ignacio Zaragoza start putting his troops right at the fortress of Guadalupe in the city of Puebla. And that's exactly when it happened, 9 in the morning, Cinco de Mayo, 1862. At 9 in the morning, the first cannon opened fire against the French army. And that was the beginning of one of the most glorious victories in the Mexico army. And Mexico still, and it still is, still is a free country. So this is in a very, very small resume what the Cinco de Mayo battle is. And obviously it's pretty well celebrated in Puebla. That being said, you guys, let's start making our cocktail. Okay, so this is going to be the Cinco de Mayo mule. I have the chance to be in San Diego, La Mesa, Tochimilcingo, and I have the Papalo Metal Mezcal, which actually it is the Tobala. So we're going to go for healthy 2 ounces of mezcal. Okay, so we're going to be followed by half of an ounce of Ancho Reyes Verde, which is the Chile Poblano liqueur. Let's get the juice of a half of a lime. Let's put some ice. Let's give it a nice shake. So now, let's get our copper mug all the way to the top with ice. Pour a cocktail in there. And if you cannot find any mezcal from Puebla, hey, you can use any kind of mezcal. Or switch it over for tequila. Why not? Let's get some ginger beer, Verde. We're going to finish this guy with a small splash of Canton de Domaine, which is a French ginger liqueur. Just a float. Obviously, as I always recommend for any meal, you need to have something to chew into it because it's just kind of like a soup. I have some granadas of pomegranate, perfectly red. Nice and mature. Let's throw those guys inside. Let's get a blood red orange garnish and a little mint. Okay? And there you have it, you guys. Your Cinco de Mayo mule. Cheers, everybody. Drive responsibly. And don't forget to like and subscribe.